Hey everyone, this is Todd from S&S Cycle. Today we're going to install a header on this 2016 Street Glide. As you can see, we have removed the heat shields from this header to more clearly illustrate the installation process. S&S headers are constructed to precision tolerances to fit snugly around your cylinders. And today we'll show you how to install that header without damaging your engine.
Do not try and install both ends of the header at the same time. The cylinder head fins get in the way. If you install the front header first, it will make it more difficult to install the rear header. Our preferred method is maneuver the rear header over the cylinder fins. Then position the front header over the cylinder fins. Now locate the rear header into the exhaust port. Pull firmly to locate the front header into the exhaust port.
That's the overview of header installation. For more complete exhaust installation videos, please visit our YouTube channel.